Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is June the 1st. It is June the 1st, 2025. Coming to you from international, global, galactic headquarters. And I've made a video like this before. When I'm back in the United States, I love my peace and quiet. But there's something about the sights and sounds of a city that totally invigorate me. And again, I don't know if I would like it all the time if I lived here, but I don't know, it just kind of sets, I can be a loud person in real life. I know most of you probably know that, or can, guess at that, but I love my peace and quiet. There's actually a very quiet, introverted part to me that very few people see, but I love coming here. The sights, the sounds, the noise, the motorcycles, it's just so cool. And that's the video. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family, and you know I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.